Do your notes ever look really pretty, but then during exams, you still can't understand anything from them? Or maybe you spend hours making your notes look cute, and during revision, you still end up watching random YouTube videos because your own notes make no sense. And somehow your page is full of random colors, huge paragraphs, and everything feels important at the same time. So in this video, I'll show you how straight-A students actually take notes in class. Pretty notes that help you study faster, revise easier, actually remember things during exams, and finally start getting those straight A's in class. So let's fix your notes together. Okay, first, let's set everything up properly before we even start taking notes. And trust me, you do not need expensive stationery for pretty notes. Most straight-A students actually keep things super simple. All you really need is a campus notebook, a blue or black gel pen, some mild liner highlighters, and a correction tape. That's literally enough to make your notes look clean and organized. I'd also really recommend keeping separate notebooks for each subject. And when you start a new topic, always try to begin with a clean page. Lined or dotted pages both work perfectly. Just choose whatever feels easier for you. Also, please leave some space on your pages. When your notebook is full of giant paragraphs with no spacing, your brain gets tired before studying even starts. Now let me show you the 5 note-taking rules straight-A students actually use. And trust me, these make such a big difference during exams. Rule number 1. Write short, not long. One of the biggest mistakes students make is trying to write every single thing the teacher says. Your notebook is not supposed to become another textbook. You only have to write keywords, mini summaries, important formulas, arrows, and the main idea only. For example, instead of writing, photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food using sunlight. Just write, photosynthesis, plants make food using sunlight. Same meaning, less stress, way easier to revise. Rule number 2, organize your notes properly. Straight-A students don't just randomly write things everywhere. They usually follow this structure. Big titles, subtopic, mini points, examples. And honestly, this alone makes your notes look prettier automatically. Use headings, spacing, bullet points, and little boxes around important things. Because messy notes make your brain feel messy too. Rule number 3, color code smartly. Please do not use 17 different colors on one page. Top students usually use one color for headings, one for definitions, and one for important exam points. That's it. Too many colors make your page confusing instead of helpful. Rule number 4, your notes should be easy to revise. Ask yourself, can I revise this page in 30 seconds? If the answer is no, your notes are probably too complicated. Highlight keywords only, leave space between topics, add tiny summaries, use boxes for important information. Because during exams, nobody wants to read giant paragraphs. And finally, rule number 5, use memory tricks. This helps so much with remembering things faster. You can use symbols, arrows, mini doodles, mind maps, or acronyms. For example. And finally, let's talk about how to make your notes look pretty without wasting your whole life decorating one page. Because pretty notes do not need to be complicated. Honestly, the notes that look the best are usually the simplest ones. You really only need a few simple things to make your notes look pretty. Clean handwriting so your notes stay readable during exams, good spacing so the page doesn't look stressful, and soft highlighters instead of highlighting the whole page neon yellow. Try keeping your colors consistent too, like one color for headings and one for important points. Neat titles make revision way easier because you can find topics quickly. You do not need 100 different pens, perfect calligraphy, or 3 hours to decorate one biology page. And please remember this. Pretty notes should help you study better, not distract you from studying. So focus more on making your notes clear, organized, and easy to revise. Because that's what straight-A students actually do. So yay, I hope this video helped you become a little more organized, productive, and maybe even a little closer to becoming that student. And if it helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Galauzi family.